All right, this will be the third installment. This is the second unit, second BN2 unit, and I'll be going through this one to get it running, probably keeping 80% of these components. Got it hooked up to the power supply, and the switch is temporarily hooked up. So we got the power supply hooked up to the power right here, going into the switch. Just need to make sure everything works. So there's power going to the pump, power going to the glow plug, and power going to the little accessory light here for the light inside the cabin. So we'll turn it on. Check our power. See if this wiring is all working properly. Okay, we got power going to the pump. Go ahead and touch this one holding the camera. Yep, there we go. Power going to the glow plug. Power going to the accessory light. Yep, they both have power. Alright, so that's it. Now all I need to do is make sure I got a pump that works. I have a diaphragm to put in there, and we should be able to fire this unit up exactly the way it sits once I have a working pump, because I already verified earlier that the glow plug works. And if that one doesn't work well, I have some NOS ones to put in its place, and or I'll put that, try that little 12 volt trick. I also have some more of those plugs too, to see how things will fire up. But this one should run the way it sits, as long as the pump works. So that's going to be next. So briefly, what I've done here is I've taken a 12 volt unit that I know that works, that I had attempted to put a gasket in before, and I had a 6 volt unit that I knew had a good diaphragm, so I took this off of the 12 volt one that I had in my stock, and I took the diaphragm out of the 6 volt one and put it on here. So this one now works great. So next thing will be this put back together, and then I'll fire it up for you. And here we go, all hooked up back together and ready to be tested. And I cheated. I already know the outcome, which is that it works. Works fine. See? There you go. One working fuel pump. So what this will do is when it's on the unit, it will get some back pressure through the actual valves. When it's going into the squirter jet, it gets back pressure, and then this will sound like it's off. It won't pump continually like this. Yeah, there you go, nice. It will get back pressure, and it'll just go click, click. It'll go slower. So look forward to putting this on and firing this bad boy up.